So this was a video of my desk setup back in 2022. And after a while, it turned into this. It was so cluttered. It was a nightmare. It was just an absolute mess. It was a clutter-filled place where I sit down on my desk to work. I just felt so uninspired. And I realized I needed to change something. I took a step back. I looked at my desk and I tried to think, what is something that I need to really reduce the clutter? One was stop being a slob, and two was a desk shelf. But before I set up that desk shelf, I knew I needed to really get rid of the clutter. So I got rid of everything off the desk. I threw away a lot of the things that doesn't serve me anymore, you know, like old boxes, what have you, whatnot. And then I wiped down the whole surface area of my desk. Now that I wiped everything down, it was a fresh start. It felt like a new beginning, you know, a blank slate, a fresh new canvas for me to create something upon, right? And this was the perfect excuse for me to purchase a lot of the things from Grovemade. They're known for their products to serve a purpose. So one, I needed a tool to help me open up packages. And it was an excuse for me to open these two boxes that came from Grovemade, and it's their knife. Now this knife, it's so beautifully made. It's perfectly balanced. It's so simple, so minimal, and it's also efficiently sharpened, so that way I don't damage all the goods when I open the box. It's just a beautiful knife. Now I needed this knife to open up this package. Now this package is the key ingredient to my desk that will help me stay organized. And it's a desk shelf. So I immediately got into opening up the package and I was so excited, and upon opening the package, it was damaged. I was so bummed out and I just was kicking myself over it because not only was it damaged, I waited so long to film this video that I passed way beyond the return period. So I can't return it. But, you know, resourceful as I am, I'm pretty sure I'll figure out a way to fix this damage. But I still set it up regardless. And I set it up and I placed it on my desk, and I opened up the next package. The next package is the shelf tray, which is the perfect companion for the desk shelf. This too was made so beautifully. It was so well thought out. It's made with aluminum, and it added some cork materials to it, which apparently doesn't scratch any surfaces, which is awesome. And this is where I feel like I need it. This item is like, I need this so that way I can keep all the knickknacks, all the accessories in one place. And I think this is where I'm gonna keep my knife, and I'll know it's going to be there at all times. Now that the shelf is all set up, everything else fell back into place perfectly. There's no more clutter, there's no more mess, and now I can just sit on my desk and just focus on work, on creating, and that's all I get to focus on, which is great, which is exactly what I needed. Now I feel inspired to work. Now I feel inspired to create something. And I don't know, this desk shelf really saved the day. Now only time will tell how long this is going to last, and when that time comes, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna need something else to upgrade my desk. I wonder what it would be though. I